And when you don't hit reply, my heartbeat goes like cosine. 내가 맘에 들면 follow, 좋아요, 구독. 이 노래가 유명해져야 너가 날 만나줄 거.
我们又在机场，为了去哪儿？西雅图。西雅图。Okay, Seattle. Cool.
Yeah, we're gonna see my in-laws.
Ooh, scary.
Yeah, right?
You make it sound really scary. I didn't realize the flight was over 4 hours,
Yeah.
almost 4 hours. I thought it was like 3. Yeah, so it's like 1 a.m. Anyway, we made it.
Ooh, we're going hiking today.
Going hiking, 跑步。
走路。
哦，走路。
哎，
不是走路啊。I thought 跑步 was.
跑步 is like running.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, in Seattle mountains.
In the Seattle mountains.
Yeah. See how nice it looks.
Look how cool it looks. Look at these cool people. Hi, cool people.
Yeah.
Man, it's such a beautiful day. It's not very hot,
No.
which is
Weather
good
perfect.
because you guys know how much I hate sweating. And this park is called Twin Falls, and maybe you guys can guess why.
Oh.
There's 2 waterfalls. That's what it is. 2 waterfalls. That's why. Okay.
Show you guys how cool it is.
Yeah, we're gonna show you how cool it looks. Okay, bye.
Winter, go catch a train to somewhere, but leave me some time to watch you go. Sailing, go catch the wind and rain. Leave me some space.
Yeah, it's really fuzzy.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
You guys ever saw that movie, How the Grinch Stole Christmas?
I don't know. I've never seen it.
That's what the Grinch looks like.
Never mean you're far apart. Release the hounds inside your mind. They'll lead you to the place you belong to. Help me align the stars to pave a way to see. Light all the candles, let the sense
Hi. I guess we're outdoorsy now.
Yeah, everyone is outdoorsy.
No. You caught me on a good day though.
Heading to baby, don't let the world engrave you. Leave it some space.
High five Jeff when you get to the top.
Yeah, high five, Jeff. Yeah, bros.
Starting to think I like being stuck. 'Cause if you look at the ceiling, my favorite part's the sky cut off. I don't wanna realize how far.
我老公是好辛苦的人，
好辛苦的人 ，Yeah。
因为我们散步 ，right？散步 is walking. No. What's hiking? 爬山。
爬山。
啊，对对对。因为我们在爬山，然后他跟个人，跟 customer 客人。
客人。
他跟客人发微信。对对。哦。How's my Chinese?
很好。
谢谢啊。You guys probably know, like, I know a lot of words in Chinese, but putting long sentences together is kind of difficult, so thanks for being patient with me. You guys actually make me feel a lot better about it, because I know every time I speak Chinese, you always say such nice things.
Yeah.
And it makes me feel really good, and like
Very
I want to...
supportive.
Yeah, really supportive. Like, I want to practice even more, so... I'm afraid of looking or sounding stupid, but you guys are so nice, so... 真的谢谢啊，谢谢你们。
Waking feels like a dream. Ask myself which version I'm going to be when I walk through the curtain. I don't wanna be mean. One could say I'm learning how fresh sharpened teeth can draw, but I'm terrified.
我们爬山啦。
很高兴吗？
对啊，好开心啊，
Yeah.
有点累啊。
Yeah. The West Coast nature is really gorgeous. Yeah.
It's so beautiful， 很安静的感觉。
对，很安静。
Yeah, it's very peaceful, very quiet.
大山，大树。
不是大山 ，it's like a medium mountain， 但是大树。
中山。
对。Thanks for coming with us on our beautiful walk.
Yeah.
We hope that you enjoyed the nice peaceful vibes.
Okay,
bye.
See you guys. Bye.
Look at that one. Whoa.
It's like a weird human.
It is like a weird human.
Giant dandelion.
It does look like a giant dandelion.
大的蒲公英。Let me kick it.
No! Am I as pretty as a flower, honey?
You're more pretty than a flower.
Oh, that's very good.
Very good answer.
Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding.
这像黄瓜吗？这是黄瓜花。
Yeah, in this stage, 好像黄瓜, but then they open up.
Yeah. 这是黄瓜花。
黄瓜花。
Yeah.
All right, leaving the rose garden. That's it. We were here for like 10 minutes. And now it's time to go get lunch. Hope you guys enjoyed it. What?
I don't even understand how baseball works.
What? Seriously?
Yeah, I don't watch baseball, you know.
Damn, okay. Yeah, we'll have a good time.
The great game to kill time, right? How to say that?
The great American pastime.
Yeah, the great
He
American.
says the great game to kill time.
Something similar.
It's actually not that different. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, and we have like such good seats.
We do have really good seats.
Yeah.
We splurged a little bit to get extra nice seats.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to see all the action.
Yeah.
And the weather could not be better. It's like so beautiful. So I hope our team wins. I don't even know who we're playing.
Yeah, who are playing against?
I don't know.
It seems like we've been here before. Feeling in my bedroom, and I keep thinking there's a good answer, as if the world's over on time. You tell me that it's okay for now.
Din Tai Fung at the baseball game.
I've been feeling low.
That's right, yeah.
Do you think about the state of it all? Could it be when it's starting to fall? Blinking in the corridor. Lately all I seem to do is disappoint you. I got bloodstains in the cheap suit, but I think that I'm alright. Could you tell me that it's okay if I'm
Yeah. Not bad.
It's like crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, really garlicky, so good. What's up?
having feeling low? Could you tell me that it's okay if I'm not okay? Going off the deep end, what can I say? I've been feeling low. I've been feeling low. You ask me if it's so true. Probably can call up all our best friends, have a party. 햇빛이 비추는 날 내 맘에 꽃이 폈다. 창가에 기대 앉아 이 노래를 부른다. 그래 넌 푸른 바다 like a picnic on the shoreline with a toast and jelly just like how sweet it is that you're mine. And when you don't hit reply my heartbeat goes like cosine. 내가 맘에 들면 follow 좋아요 구독.
This is our fish ladder. 鱼梯子，就三文鱼，它从那个海里往路上游的时候，它从这块过，它有个梯子，你知道吧？它一层一层的，最后可以游进来。因为这边是大，它把那个水挡住了，在这里呢，给它留一个通道。你看，这有好多鱼，看到没有？三文鱼，三文。
무궁화 꽃이 폈게 움직일 수 없어 baby. My flowers made in your light and I'm blooming by your side. You know I've been waiting for too long. Yeah. 지금 right now sunshine on the shoreline feels like a super trooper. Is this the Truman Show right now? No God.
你觉得怎么样？
非常有意思。Very.
Yeah, 非常有意思。
Oh, there's a seal here. Oh, it has like a salmon.
He caught a fish.
Oh, went underneath.
I can't see.
It's gone.
어디서 본
melting.
Yeah, melting in the heat.
Ain't you been known that you my baby girl, my sweet darling, pretty pearl. The way you hold me tight and tell me things. 익숙한 눈빛과 내 맘은 떨려와.
First, we're walking through another beautiful forest.
Yeah.
And this one's right by the city, actually.
Yeah. But it's pretty wild here. A lot of wilderness.
Yeah, it feels like
Yeah.
wilderness.
感觉特别自然，
对对，
原生态。
特别自然的感觉。
嗯。
但是跟长沙很
城市。
城市 oh, not Changsha.
Changsha
It's not
is a
close
city.
to Changsha. It's close to Chengshi. It's close to the city, not the city of Changsha. Yeah, but it's really nice here, and then we're gonna get some nice views.
푸른 하늘, you belong with me in this world. Let's go explore, sun's up and it's one more side. Waiting for us to unwind. When we touch, say penya like lightning, you know that.
So pretty here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And look at all these interesting foods.
He's still really enjoying the trees, huh?
Yeah. Oh, haha, that's a very nice joke.
어디서 들려와 달콤한 목소리.
Hi.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls.
Yeah, it's a really good day, Annie.
It's a really good day.
Yeah.
We walked around a lot.
Yeah. Ate some pasta.
We ate some delicious pasta.
Yeah.
That was some of the best pasta I've ever had. And we've been to Italy.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, I recommended the Pink Door in Seattle. That was very good.
Yeah, very good reviews.
Yeah.
Very nice pasta. Oh, someone is impatient.
You guys want to know who that jerk was? That was my brother-in-law, Jeff. You leave him some mean comments. You'd be like, Jeff, shut up. They're trying to film. We're trying to talk to our fans. He doesn't like you guys. No, I'm just kidding.
Right.
He likes you guys.
I guess we should go.
Yeah, leave some mean comments for Jeff. Anyway, so now we're done with dinner and we're gonna go home and take it easy and get some rest for another busy day tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, bye.
Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad.